What you saw is the head tracking on Premiere Pro, and that was the first time I'm doing it, so I hope you like the video. I will show you basically how I've done it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one. I'm hungry again, and I have to get back to Premiere Pro on my 31.5 inch 8-speed monitor. Yes, it is. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, I'm gonna edit it, and you have no idea how sexy it is, how hot it is. I'm just telling you, you have no idea. I just feel like I have a few tasks to do today. Finish this video, which I'm looking forward to start editing, which is the most creative thing I'm doing today, and then I have to finish with the website design that I'm doing for a client. And then I'm going out with my best friend. We're going to Costco. First time for me, so I'm looking forward for everything today. Might cook salmon today again. I love salmon. I love fatty foods. I love fatty food. I love fat. You know, I love food basically. So yeah, keep watching, stay tuned, and I might cook one day for you. Okay. Stay positive, stay there. I don't know what else I can say. I look gorgeous in the sunlight. Weather thing is the forecast or the podcast, not the forecast. It says that we have 10 degrees today in UK. Are you kidding me? Show you something now. Give me 1 sec. Right there. They're having construction jobs and stuff. All of this also. All of this. Plus, around my flat, all around my flat, they are doing constructions, and my ears are bleeding from this noise. But we are okay. See you. Press the button in the